Huawei is known worldwide for the quality of the camera on its smartphones, which are consistently among the best on the market, and with the launch of the Huawei Mate 40 series, it would be no different. The Huawei Mate 40 Pro already has impressive feats. Huawei's new flagship attained first place in the DxOMark rankings for rear and selfie cameras, with 136 and 104 points respectively. Leading these rankings, however, it is a routine for the company since the Huawei P40 Pro announced at the beginning of the year also topped the list for some time and occupies the current third place, and was displayed from the first position in selfies by Huawei Mate 40 Pro by just 1 point. In the analysis, DxOMark engineers point out that the camera configuration of Huawei's latest release are very similar to those of the P40 Pro, although it does not have an optical stabilization system, but its main camera has the same 50 megapixel sensor with an f1.9 aperture from his older brother. The ultrawide is 20 megapixel and a 12 megapixel telephoto completes the rear set. The engineers point out that the score in photos is also a record, with good results in practically all the analyzed items. The dynamic range was considered a particular highlight, and the device is capable of getting good exposure even in low light, as well as achieving good details and low noise levels in all lighting conditions, and the autofocus ensures sharpness. Also praise the zoom, which is still not the best, and the portrait mode, which according to DxOMark was able to achieve a natural looking bokeh effect that is not much different from a DSLR. And the depth works even with hair and other difficult objects. In videos, the Huawei device also achieves a record score of 116 points in tests performed in 4K at 30 fps, with videos with good details and low noise levels in all situations, with good colors, well-functioning white balance, and smooth adjustment to changes in lighting. In the front camera, there are two sensors here, a main 13 megapixel one which works together with a TOF sensor that helps in depth of field for portrait mode and fixed focus. It scored 104 points on the DxOMark, one ahead of the P40 Pro, and was 3 points ahead of the Zenfone 7 Pro. Engineers note that it performed better on several topics discussed and has few obvious flaws. In subscores, the 110 obtained in photos with the front camera are also a record in the ranking. The test showed a front camera with good facial exposures even in low light and wide dynamic range, which is particularly useful in backlit shots. There is a good white balance in low light and a good depth of field. It is not the best bokeh camera, with frequent depth estimation errors. In videos tested in 4K at 30 fps, the Mate 40 Pro camera performs exceptionally well in video test and with 96 points, tied with the Zenfone 7 Pro. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.